how old this candy is? Extra sour is my guess, because it says extra sour right there. Same with me. I hope I can handle this. Me too.
Hi friends, it's Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, and we're so excited today because we have Crybaby Candy, and it's extra sour. This is a supercharged chewy candy, and they're fruit flavored. We're so excited to have Minnie and Mickey to help us with this taste test review. Hi Mickey.
Hello.
Hi Minnie.
Hi.
I've heard you guys are pretty lightweights when it comes to sour candy.
We're not the hugest fan of sour candies. Yeah.
I'm glad you're brave and gonna try it out. Let's take a closer look at the box. These are Crybabies, and they're chewy and supercharged sour. Here on the back, it has the flavors. It looks like there's lemon, cherry, berry, orange, and apple. And here are the ingredients. Let's open these up. These are really fun, bright, colorful candies. They're bumpy and a little bit lumpy. I've never seen any candy quite like it. Minnie, would you like to try one?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Oh, that's pretty sour. Oh, that's really sour. Oh, it's super gummy and fruity though. Oh my, it's so sour.
So do you like it?
Yeah, I really like the fruity and the gummy part, but oh, it's so sour. If Minnie can handle it, I'll try it.
What color would you like, Mickey?
Green, please.
Here you go.
Mickey, why is the ambulance here? Are you okay? No, I don't feel so good. Mickey! No! Mickey, where are you going? To the hospital!
Well, Minnie, it looks like this candy was way too sour for Mickey.
Yeah, I think the people at the hospital are going to take care of him good. This candy is really good though. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm okay. Oh, you had me all worried for a minute. This candy is pretty sour, but not that sour.
So, Mickey,
Yeah?
is this candy too sour for you?
Yeah, I guess so.
So, would you recommend it?
Yeah, but not if you're under 3 years old.
Oh, okay. So, if you're into sour things, you like these, but if you can't handle sour, these may not be for you.
Yep,
Well, thanks for helping me with this review, Mickey and Minnie.
you're welcome.
This is Epic Junk Food and Candy Fun, where we love taste testing junk food and candy and playing with toys. If you like this video, please click subscribe and we'll make more. Thanks for watching, friends. Hope to see you again soon.
This is the guy who gave me a drink of water.
Oh, water's so nice when candy's too sour.
Yep,